The new policy is that you knock before entering. This is no longer yours or your daddy's place.
What am I hearing on the news this morning, Jonathan?
You will address me as Mr. Majors.
You make them release a story. Say an agent could be in the possible kidnapping of this young lady?
Yes, I did.
Why you play with my career?
Playing? Who says I'm playing? Oh, so you think this is a game?
It must be a game. For you are run them serious joke, yeah.
Well, let me tell you this in no uncertain terms. Game over. You see, you people think on a slick. You don't know like a dirty ways, but newsflash. I know all the tricks too.
So, this have a cheerleading. So now we have a enter competition.
What you talking about?
Last night, somebody tried to get into the lockers, obviously to tamper with evidence. So I am covering all bases.
And you think of me did I try going at the evidence lockers, right?
Honestly, yes, I do.
And I'm assuming you have proof of that.
Oh, no, I don't. If I did, this conversation would be completely different. Because you would have dragged you out of your bed either last night or this morning. You would be in cuffs and in lockup.
So you play your insurance card and send out a vague statement?
The person who tried to get in knew where the cameras were and skillfully avoided them.
But Jonathan, you know where the cameras are too. Not true.
But I don't have the impeccable record of being a spirit. Little Miss Queen of getting in and out undetected.
You know, say you're gone too far right now.
I'm not gone nowhere as far as I want to go yet.
Careful now, bro.
Is that a threat?
Threat? Oh, no. I'm just a concerned colleague. Concerned about your health and your well-being. Remote. I'm a colleague. Call decline. Alright. What? Oh.
There's a charge pending against your name. So you can go and push it.
Which charge?
Assault of a senior officer. And there's video proof.
You didn't have the cameras on in the interrogation room.
Of course. And if you didn't know this, then my dear, you're not as bright as I thought you were.